Push video.
Oh, you can see
There we go.
There it
Fired
is.
it up.
Yeah, light that candle. Woo! It's off.
It's getting
There
lit.
it goes. See, the doggone broadcast is 5 seconds short. Look at that sucker.
You can hear the
Go, baby, go! Oh, I'm getting you video. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh!
how beautiful.
I know.
Oh my.
It's pretty damn
That's
cool.
propulsion over mass.
Flying through those like
Yeah, right. It's definitely lifted, isn't it?
Yeah, light that fucking candle, you bitch. Go.
Here she goes.
Oh, this is
She's kicking in
awesome.
now.
This is beautiful.
It's coming right at us.
It's going to turn left here in a minute.
Gonna be
Watch.
hearing
It's
it.
going to rotate. There it is. There's the sound.
That's terrifying.
Yeah, I think if you're sitting on the top of it.
Better have your seatbelt on. Alright, it's about to drop.
Oh, the first stages ain't done yet.
Are they not?
There we go. Turning northeast.
Oh, you can feel it now.
Yep, feel it? That's some power, man. Woo! That's freaking awesome. Now it just changed temperature. It went from a cold temperature to a warm temperature. And now you're going to see a contrail again. Probably
now you
there's
can
another
see a blue
temperature.
trail behind it.
Yeah.
All right, you owe me $100 for this film.
It'll be on YouTube tomorrow.
All right, now we can wait. We might be able to see it separate.
That didn't make much noise.
No. Not like
Eula's
they
gonna
used
be
to.
mad.
Yep.
That was
I
awesome.
can see like all the
They just keep making things quieter and more efficient.
I know.
Yeah.
Takes all the damn fun out of it.
Dang humankind.
She's off to space now. She's about to be traveling real fast here soon.
Oh, it's probably going about 18,000 miles an hour now.